How to review blocked history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review blocked history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, settings, and go down. Here you will find activity log, click on it, and then just go down until you find connections and click on it, and here just click blocked. And as you see here, you can review blocked history on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.